stay-at-home mom, this video is for you guys. If you're a stay-at-home mom and you are depressed on you don't have money to use and buy what you need, this video is for you right now. And you do not have any excuse to tell me again that you do not have money or you don't know how to make money right now in this 2026. So today's video I'll be sharing with you some few ways you can make money as a stay-at-home mom without going out, without even stressing yourself on going outside to sell it. So the number one on my list is small chop business, guys. That is baking business. You can stay at your home and make chin chin, or you make puff puff or buns and drop it at the comfort of your, like, at the outside of your gate or outside of your home, and people are going to buy from you, guys. You see, it's a business that people need to eat. People need to eat every day by day. If you can fry a nice and delicious buns, chin chin, make all those small chops, people are definitely going to buy from you as far as you know what you are doing. So number two on my list is all this online vendor business. If you can do, if you can sell on online handbags, clothes, jewelries, slippers and other stuff, all you have to do is to join all those online vendors group, WhatsApp group, and you screenshot some of their products, share it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook and other social media handle, Instagram. Then if anybody have to price it, then you have to give the person the price that you are selling your product. When they make a payment, you then send, you now send the thing to the person, that the hair vendor or the cloth vendor, on that your WhatsApp group that you joined, so that they will do the delivery to that person. All you have to do is to, if the aunty is selling the let me use the wig as an example. If the aunty is selling the wig for 4,000 naira, then you yourself, you will add your own profit. You will maybe you sell the wig for 5,000 or 6,000 naira. After everything, if they make the payment, you take your own 2,000 naira or 1,000 naira that you added on that on that sales. So you see, making 2,000 naira every day by day. Let me say you sell this product for like 5 people and you added 2,000 naira on it. That is a very nice business. You just make yourself a huge sum amount of money. If you continue it every day by day and you are getting clients every day by day, you see that before a month or before a year will end, you will see that you will self, you will even be proud of yourself. So that is the number two on my list, online vendor business. You join all those WhatsApp group, people that are doing that kind of business that you want to start as an online vendor, and anyone that you want to post online, you screenshot it from the WhatsApp, your WhatsApp group, and post it on your social media. Then when people patronize you, they do the delivery. They are the one that will do the delivery. Then you have already added your own profit. You make money from there. You can use it to sort some of the bills for yourself without even asking your husband or without even disturbing anybody. So the number three on my list is perfume oil business, guys. You can do this business also at the comfort of your home. You also do it like that, this wig business, that you join all those WhatsApp group. You do your research very well. Join trustworthy person WhatsApp group, so that you will not they are not going to drag you online, that you do not deliver what they ordered from you, so that it will not be like what I ordered versus what I got, you know. So that is it. Perfume oil business, people need to smell nice. People need to, you know, when you pass through somebody, you need to smell nice, look good. So if you do this perfume oil business, you're going to make a lot of income from this kind of business, guys. So that is what I have for you guys. Do not say that, stop procrastinating on this 2020, that you don't know what to do. You are a stay-at-home mom, you cannot do anything. Please, we have a lot of business for stay-at-home mom that you can do at the comfort of your home. So the last one on my list is content creating, guys. Please, guys, if you have not shared this video, do well to share it. That is the only way to support your girl. Do well to share this video, like it, and drop a meaningful comment for me. Let's go. So the last one on my list is content creating, guys. Start doing content. This thing that I'm doing here is content creating. What you need to do before starting content creating is to know your niche. What are you good at? If you are good at cooking, you can start a cooking channel. If you are good at advice, you can start this maybe marriage or relationship advice on your page. whatsoever you are good at, just find out what you are good at and you start implementing it outside. You will see that people are going to follow you as far as you are dropping a meaningful and interesting content online. People are definitely going to follow you without you even boosting your page or your profile. So that is what I have for you guys today. Bye.